Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on how to use the Idaho State Tax Commission's parcel information system and link gallery. So what you'll want to do is go up to tax.idaho.gov/gis/parcelmaps.cfm. If you just do GIS, you'll get to another page and you just hit map gallery. Once you're there, there'll be the counties here, and you can click on any of those and view their systems. It's noted that the ones with the red bar underneath are the ones that are maintained by the counties or a third-party vendor that the county contracts with. The ones that are in the blue are the ones that we assist the counties with here at the Idaho State Tax Commission. I am going to click on Gooding County here as an example. So you'll have several areas to work with here. There's an address search, there's a name search, and then there's a parcel search. You'll notice that the only one that has a button is the parcel search. The other two, as you start typing, it takes the map automatically to it. So what we're going to do on the search by address is we're just going to type in the word Maine. And you'll notice when I type Maine, all of these little markers pull up. We'll do it with Smith here. And you'll want to make sure that you do it the way that the example shows it. If you try to do Jared Smith instead of Smith Jared, it won't work. So if I type in Smith here, you'll notice a point pops up here. So what you can do is you can just click on this point here. Once you click on it, you'll see the information that pops up over here on the right. You'll also notice that a Print Details button pops up over here on the left. With the right-hand side, you'll notice there's a Detail Info tab, an Improvement Info, a House Info, and a Taxing District. So what we're going to do here is just go to Improvement Info, and you'll notice that there's a main improvement and another improvement. So this just lists, on the main improvement being the dwelling, all the information about it. This would be any other outbuildings, etc. Would be the other improvements. The House tab, if there was a house at this parcel that that was taken by the county, it would be out here. And then the taxing district information is here. Searching by parcel number is a little bit different. So if you type in RP here, you'll notice you'll get that nice drop down right here. What you can do is just click on one of those and then hit search by parcel, and it takes you right to it. You can do the same thing if you click on it here. It'll take a second for this information to pop up. There's also the satellite info right here on the upper left hand side of the map, and there's also the street view functionality. You'll notice you got this big black box right here. So if we drag the street view, you'll notice that the streets turn purple just like Google Maps, and you have this really cool street view too here that pops up. Labels are also available in most counties, so you can click on the parcel labels on, or you can turn them off. Once you turn them on, you can note that they're available. Some counties have a query tool, so you can actually query by parcels that have 3 bedrooms. So the ones that have the little red dots have 3 bedrooms, and that can be confirmed by clicking on the improvement here, and you'll notice that it's got three bedrooms on the first floor. Bookmarks are available too. So you can do bookmarks plus Gooding, Hagerman, and then in this county you can zoom the township section and range. You can also print the map. So what it does essentially is it just opens it up. You go up here to File and then down to Print, and you can print it off. You'd have to zoom in, zoom out. There's also these layers over here in the table of contents that you can turn on. PLSS information. So you'll notice there's a blue outline on all these as well. That turns on, those are the sections. You can also turn on the townships. So you got your yellow outline townships, 5 south, 13 east, and then the sections break it down even more. There are wells in most counties, so I'm going to clear out all those. You can clear out any of that information here. There's also the proposed annexations too that are maintained by the that we do here at the State Tax Commission. So if you click on that, it should have the information. You can hyperlink to the ordinance. Here's a list of the taxing districts that are associated with it. Once again, you click on the map once that's turned on, and it gives you the information of that taxing district. And there's the buffer tool as well. So if you go up here, you have to select your footage, and you want to type in the address with the city and the state since it's using the Google geocoding service. And just click on that, and you'll notice that it highlights the parcels within a 300 foot. We'll bring it out to a mile. So those are the parcels that are within a mile of that point. So that concludes this instructional video on how to use the parcel information system.